Hi children. So in the previous video we discussed that 4 formulas which are related to sin 3a, sin cube a, cos 3a, cos cube a. So in this video we are going to discuss about that tan 3a and cot 3a. Okay. So tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay. So what is that formula here? Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay. So this is the formula for that tan 3a. Understand? So from this one, how we can write that, how we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So let us say that. So here proof, take that LHS. So what is the LHS here? Tan 3a. Okay. So tan 3a we can write it as tan 2a plus a, just like the previous one only, tan 2a plus a. Okay. So here now this is in the form of tan of a plus b. So tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so this is the formula for the tan of a plus b. So what is the formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So this is the formula for the tan of a plus b. So that formula apply here. So tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b whole by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay children, now here tan 2a, already we learned the formula which is related to tan 2a. So what is that formula here? Tan 2a is equal to, what is that formula here? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So this is the formula for that tan 2a. So apply that formula here. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, okay, plus tan a whole by 1 minus, here again tan 2a is there. So tan 2a formula 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a into tan a. Okay. Now from this one simplify this. So 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a plus tan a is there. So first simplify that numerator here. Okay. So in that numerator, what is that LCM here? 1 minus tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a. So that is that LCM of that numerator. Next here 2 tan a plus 2 tan a plus, and here just we have to take the cross multiplication. So tan a into 1 minus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a. So this is the numerator. Okay. Now here denominator. Again what is the denominator here? 1 minus 2 tan a into tan a, which is equals to 2 tan square a. So 1 minus 2 tan square a by 1 minus tan square a. So here what is that LCM again here? Which is equals to 1 minus tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a. So that is the LCM. Understand ma? Now here just we have to take the cross multiplication again. So 1 into 1 minus tan square a, which is equals to 1 minus tan square a. Okay. Minus 2 tan square a. Minus 2 tan square a. Understand? Now here 1 minus tan square a and 1 minus tan square a gets cancelled. Why? Because both numerator and denominator having that fractions, no? So in the denominator which fraction is there? That one become as a reciprocal. So after that numerator and denominator having the same terms, what is that? 1 minus tan square a and 1 minus tan square a. So that's why those two gets cancelled. Understand ma? So next continuation see here. So which is equals to 2 tan a plus tan a into 1. 2 tan a plus tan a into 1 is equals to tan a. And here tan a Plus into minus is equals to minus tan A into tan square A is equals to minus tan cube A. Minus tan cube A whole by, okay, whole by in denominator 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A. So here 1 time there and here 2 times there, no? So totally 3 times. So 1 minus 3 tan square A. 1 minus 3 tan square A. Half of the answer completed. Almost completed. So 1 minus 3 tan square A. So which is equals to here 2 tan A plus tan A. So here 2 times there and here 1 time there. So totally 3 times. So 3 tan A minus tan cube A whole by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Understand ma? So what is this formula here? This is the formula related to TAN3A. What is that? TAN3A formula. What is the TAN3A formula here? 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan A. So this is the formula for that TAN3A. Understand ma? Okay, here no need to write the tan cube A formula here. Okay, next we have to go for that cot 3A formula. So next cot 3A is equals to 3 cot A minus cot cube A whole by 1 minus 3 cot square A. So just like the tan formula only this is also, but in place of tan here we have that cot. Okay, once again see that cot 3A is equal to 3 cot A minus cot cube A by 1 minus 3 cot square A. So that is the formula for that cot 3A. So let us say that proof here. So again take that LHS. What is that LHS? Cot 3A. So cot 3A. So how can we write that cot 3A? Cot of 2A plus A. Cot 3A, how we can write? Cot 2A plus A. So cot 2A plus A, that is in the form of cot of A plus B. Cot of A plus B. So cot of A plus B formula? Cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. So this is the formula for that cot of A plus B. So that formula here we have to apply. So cot A, cot B. So cot 2A into cot A minus 1 by cot B. So at the place of cot B here we have that cot A plus cot A which is equals to cot 2A. Understand ma? Now here cot 2A formulas we have to write cot 2A formulas in terms of cot. Okay. So here already we learnt about that cot 2A formula, no? So cot 2A which is equals to cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A. What is that? Cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A. That is the formula for that cot 2A, no? So that formula apply here. So cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A into cot A minus 1 whole by here cot A plus here cot 2A formula again cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A. Okay. So here cot A and cot A gets cancelled. So here we are getting this one as cot square A minus 1 by 2. Why? Because here cot A and cot A gets cancelled, no? So minus 1 whole by 2 cot A into cot A is equal to 2 cot square A. 2 cot square A plus cot square A minus 1 plus cot square A minus 1 whole by 2 cot A. Whole by 2 cot A. So here any cancellations possible ma? Yes, still we have that simplification required, no? So cot square A minus 1 by 2 is there. So 2 into 1 is equals to minus 2. Okay. So cot square A minus 1 minus 2 by cot square A minus 1 into minus 1. 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2 only, no? By 2. Whole by 2. Whole by. Here we have the 2 cot square A plus cot square A is equal to 3 cot square A. 3 cot square A minus 1. 3 cot square A minus 1 whole by 3 cot square A minus 1 whole by 2 cot A. 2 cot A. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now here this one we can write it as cot square A minus cot square A minus 1 minus 2, which is equals to minus 3 whole by 3 cot square A minus 1 by cot A. Okay, so which is equals to, here we have that in denominator we have that fraction, no, so that one become as reciprocal. So cot square A minus 3 into cot A. Okay, whole by 3 cot square A minus 1. So from this one, cot square A into cot A is equals to cot cube A minus 3 cot A. Okay, whole by 3 cot square A minus 1. But here children, once observe that the formula here, what is that formula? 3 cot A minus cot cube A. 3 cot A minus cot cube A. But here we got that 3 cot cube A minus 3 cot A. In reverse we got that. Okay. So that's why here I want to multiply that, or I want to take common minus as common from that numerator. So take minus as common, then we will get this one as 3 cot A minus cot cube A. Understood? From the denominator also, here we have the 3 cot square A minus 1. But here we have that 1 minus 3 cot square A. Here also reverse we have, no? So that's why from denominator also take that minus as common. Now this one we can write it as 1 minus 3 cot square A. Understand? So here minus and minus gets cancelled. Now the formula is 3 cot A minus cot cube A whole by 1 minus 3 cot square A. So this is that RHS. Yes or no? See here, 3 cot A minus cot cube A by 1 minus 3 cot square A. Understand ma? Okay, so here, what is the formula for that cot 3A? Cot 3 is equal to 3 cot A minus cot cube A by 1 minus 3 cot square A. So this is the formula for that cot 3A. Understand? So in this video, what we discussed? We discussed about that only two formulas. What are those? Tan-3A and cot 3A. These two also very important. So that's why in this video we discussed only two formulas. Those two also Tan-3A and cot 3A. Understand ma? So in that next video we will discuss about, again we will meet with another concept. I mean related to 3A only. But here in terms of A, how we will write that formulas. Okay, that one we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you.